Take a test tube and add a small quantity of sample in it and treat with water. Transparent, colorless, and brittle jelly-like substance is formed. Presence of Tragacanth is confirmed. In a test tube, a small quantity of sample is taken. To it, add KOH solution. Boil the solution in water bath and observe formation of slight brownish color. Presence of Tragacanth is confirmed. Mount a pinch of powder on slide and add ruthenium red solution. Observe under microscope for pink stain. This test shows presence of Tragacanth and mucilage. A small quantity of powder is treated with iodine, cover with cover slip, and observed under microscope. No blue color seen, which shows absence of starch. Barium chloride test. Boil 1.5 milliliters of gum sample solution with 0.5 milliliters of HCl and add 1 milliliter of barium chloride solution. Absence of white precipitate, which shows sulfate residue is absent.